Do you enjoy cooking or eating out?
I personally prefer cooking at home over dining out, and this choice is guided by both practicality and principle. Preparing meals oneself is far more economical, but the benefits extend beyond mere savings. Home cooking allows me complete control over ingredients, ensuring they're fresh, clean, and, whenever possible, organic. As the old adage reminds us, you are what you eat, and being mindful in the kitchen cultivates both health and discipline. Moreover, the act of cooking itself can be meditative, a quiet, creative ritual that dining out rarely affords.
Contact Dr. in England.